I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick nonsense. I'm talking about to build businesses that literally run themselves while you sleep. Everything with AI. See, 95% of the AI side hustle content you see online is complete garbage. I know this because I've been in the trenches testing these systems with real money, real clients, and real results. But here's what most people don't realize. We're sitting on the biggest wealth creation opportunity in human history, and it has an expiration date. According to a former OpenAI researcher's 2027 forecast report, we have maybe 12 months before AGI reshapes society more than the Industrial Revolution did. Top venture funds have poured $160 billion into AI startups in just 18 months. Meta alone spent $65 billion reinventing itself as an AI-first company. The message is clear. The early movers capture almost all the wealth. Wait too long and you'll be too late. So today I'm going to show you the laziest and most profitable way to build wealth with AI before this window closes forever. But before we dive deep, let me be crystal clear about something. These AI business strategies and opportunities are not overnight success promises or get-rich-quick schemes. What you're about to see is educational insight into what's actually working with AI-powered businesses in 2026. Your results, they will depend entirely on how much you're willing to learn, take action, and most importantly, how well you execute these systems. The opportunity with these AI business models, whether it's voice agents, faceless content creation, or specialized AI tools, is real, but it requires dedication to master the technology and the intelligence to combine them into profitable, sustainable businesses. Some people will land their first voice agent client in 2 weeks. Others might take 2 months. Some will go viral with their first AI video. Others will need dozens of attempts. Success depends on your commitment to providing real value and solving actual problems for real businesses and real people. The lazy aspect isn't about doing no work. It's about building systems that eventually work without your constant input. Are you ready to build something that could change your financial future? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the business ideas, you need to understand something critical. As one successful entrepreneur put it perfectly, 100 years ago, they created electricity. Electricity was this awesome, powerful thing. But then people came up with applications for electricity. Toasters, kettles, light bulbs. They channeled electricity into specialized applications, and those businesses became amazing standalone businesses. Now imagine someone said, that's just an electricity wrapper, you're just wrapping electricity. Yeah, they were harnessing electricity, but in a very particular way, with perfect user experience for specific needs. LLMs are the new electricity. They do amazing language generation, image generation, multimedia generation, and it's up to us as entrepreneurs to improve upon that through better UX, better prompting, and better ways of capturing user data. This is why the laziest approach isn't actually lazy at all. It's strategic. We're not reinventing the wheel. We're finding the smartest ways to harness AI's power for maximum profit with minimum ongoing effort. Let me tell you about the ultimate lazy business, AI voice agents for local businesses. The conversational AI market is projected to reach $41 billion by 2030, according to Grandview Research. And local businesses are one of the most underserved segments, creating a massive window for early movers. According to Salesforce's State of Sales report, 81% of sales teams have already adopted AI, yet most local small businesses haven't touched it yet, making this one of the biggest gaps in the market. Here's why this is brilliant. Every business owner faces the same nightmare. They're drowning in phone calls they can't answer. A restaurant gets 50 calls during lunch asking about hours and reservations. A contractor gets calls all day while on job sites. A dental office has patients calling to book appointments while staff is with other patients. What if I told you that you could solve all of this with AI voice agents that handle calls 24/7, book appointments, take messages, qualify leads, and transfer important calls, all automatically? The best part? You can set this up without any coding experience using platforms like High Level. You literally create an AI agent that answers the phone, understands what callers need, and handles everything professionally. But here's where it gets really lazy. You white label the entire system under your own brand. Your clients log into your software portal, see your logo, your company name. They have no idea it's powered by High Level. You're literally building your own software company. The math is beautiful. High Level's AI employee costs $97 per month for unlimited usage. You charge clients $200 to $500 per month for this service. That's 100 to 400% markup on a service that runs itself. So let me walk you through exactly how you build this. No coding, nothing complicated. Just follow these steps. Step 1, sign up for High Level. Go to gohighlevel.com and sign up for their $297 per month agency plan. This gives you unlimited sub-accounts, meaning you can onboard unlimited clients under your own brand. This is your entire business infrastructure in one platform. Step 2, set up your white label brand inside High Level. Go to Settings, White Label, upload your logo, set your brand colors, and create your custom domain. From this moment forward, your clients will never see the name High Level. They only see your company. Step 3, build your first AI voice agent inside High Level. Go to the Voice AI or Conversation AI tab, click Create New Agent. You'll see a simple form. Give your agent a name, choose a voice, male or female, and set the personality tone. Think of it like filling out a job application for your robot employee. Step 4, write the agent script. This is the most important part, and it's just typing. You tell the AI how to greet callers. Thank you for calling Mike's Plumbing. How can I help you today? What questions to ask? Are you looking to book an appointment or do you have an emergency? How to handle bookings. Connect it directly to the business calendar. When to transfer to a human for emergencies or complex issues. High Level gives you templates for this. You don't start from scratch. Step 5, connect it to a phone number inside High Level. Go to Phone Numbers and buy a local number for your client. It costs about $1 to $2 per month. Assign that number to your AI agent. Now, when someone calls that number, your AI picks up instantly every single time, 24/7. Step 6, test it, call the number yourself, have a real conversation with your AI agent, test every scenario, bookings, questions, complaints, tweak the script until it handles everything smoothly. This usually takes one afternoon. Step 7, connect the calendar, go to the Integrations tab and connect Google Calendar or whatever booking system your client uses. Now, the AI doesn't just talk, it actually books appointments in real time during the call, no human needed. Step 8, go live with your first client. Give your client their new phone number, they forward their existing business number to it, or they start using the new number. From day 1, every call is answered, every appointment is booked, and your client is no longer drowning in missed calls. Step 9, duplicate it for every new client. Here's the beautiful part. High Level lets you clone the entire setup. Once you've built one great AI agent for a dental office, you duplicate it for the next dental office in 20 minutes. You're not rebuilding from scratch every time. You're copy-pasting a system that already works. Step 10, collect monthly recurring revenue, set up automatic billing inside High Level using Stripe. Your clients get charged automatically every month. You don't invoice anyone. You don't chase payments. The money just lands in your account while the AI handles everything. Now let's talk about something even lazier, faceless YouTube channels powered by AI. The English learning podcast niche on YouTube has an RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, of nearly $12. A channel pulling 4 million views a month in this niche would earn approximately $48,000 in ad revenue alone. And that niche? It has seen 21 times growth according to niche analytics platform Outlier Kit, meaning most of the market is still wide open. Here's why this works so well. 2 AI-generated characters have a friendly English conversation. That's the entire video. No host, no camera, no studio. How? They use tools like Wondercraft to generate podcast-style conversations between AI hosts. The whole production process takes maybe 30 minutes per episode. The average cost per video? A few dollars at most. But wait, it gets lazier. There are creators building Choose One AI videos that go absolutely viral. These are montages of AI-generated scenes asking viewers which they'd prefer, and the format is blowing up across YouTube and TikTok. The workflow is stupidly simple. 1, use ChatGPT to brainstorm creative scenarios. 2, generate images with Midjourney or Adobe Firefly. 3, animate them with Google's VO3, which is a real publicly available AI video tool for upload and profit. The Faceless channel model works because the content is evergreen, the production is automated, and once it's live, it keeps earning while you sleep. Fortune magazine verified a 22-year-old creator whose faceless AI YouTube network generates $40,000 to $60,000 a month with 85% profit margins. They reviewed his AdSense records directly, and the English learning podcast niche specifically pays $11.88 per thousand views, according to Outlier Kit's niche data, making it one of YouTube's highest paying categories. But here's the part where it gets really interesting and really lazy. An 18-year-old named Zach Yadagari created an app called Cal AI that uses AI to analyze photos of meals and estimate calories. Since launching in May 2024, it's been downloaded over 8 million times and has generated over $30 million in revenue, verified by both CNBC and TechCrunch. This is what we call a GPT wrapper, taking ChatGPT, adding your expertise in better UX, and creating something specialized that people will pay for. The genius is in the specialization. Instead of competing with ChatGPT directly, you're creating a specialized tool for a specific problem. It's like creating a toaster instead of trying to sell raw electricity. Here's what this looks like in practice. Pick an industry you know. Maybe you understand nutrition, fitness, real estate, or marketing. You create a simple interface that takes user input, runs it through ChatGPT with specialized prompts you've developed, and presents the results in a way that's perfect for that specific use case. One entrepreneur I studied built a business around AI SEO optimization. While every freelancer thinks they're a copywriter now because of ChatGPT, this person positioned themselves as someone who optimizes content specifically for AI models. Instead of competing with every other copywriter charging 10 cents per word, they're solving a strategic business problem worth $2,500 plus per month to the right client. Here's something most people don't know. You can literally monetize your voice while you sleep. 11 Labs has paid out over $5 million to people who shared their voices on their marketplace. The average creator makes a few $100s per month just from their voice clone being used by other people. Think about it. You record 30 minutes of yourself speaking once and then earn passive income every time someone uses your voice. If you have a unique accent or tone, this could be serious money. Reid Hoffman, co-founder of LinkedIn, said at the Council on Foreign Relations that he has line of sight to a medical assistant on every smartphone that's better than today's average GP that runs for under $5 an hour. That's not science fiction. That's where we're headed right now. This opens massive opportunities in wellness AI, not medical diagnosis, but things like fitness coaching, nutrition tracking, sleep optimization, and mental health support. You're not replacing doctors. You're creating specialized tools that help people with specific wellness goals and charging a subscription for it. Here's something that blew my mind. People are making serious money selling AI-generated products on Etsy. One documented case: a digital downloads seller made $168,000 in a single year selling AI-assisted digital products, fully verified and broken down publicly. In the children's book niche specifically, sellers create personalized books where a child becomes the main character. They charge $15 to $25 per book, and AI tools like Midjourney for illustration and ChatGPT for story generation handle virtually the entire production. The math is simple. 10 orders a day at $20 each equals $200 per day equals $6,000 per month, with near zero production cost per unit. The lazy factor? Once you build the system, every new order is just a photo in, digital file out, rinse and repeat. Overall, here's the thing that keeps me up at night. This opportunity has an expiration date. As Aravind Srinivas from Perplexity said, the only thing you can bet on is whether you are so obsessed about a topic that you will do it anyway, regardless of all the odds stacked against you. The big tech companies are racing to build AGI. Once they succeed, many of these opportunities will be absorbed into their platforms. The independent entrepreneurs making money with AI tools today might find themselves competing directly with Google, OpenAI, and Meta tomorrow. But right now, today, the opportunities are wide open for people who can move fast and think strategically. So here's what I want you to do. First, pick one of these approaches. Don't try to do everything. Master one system first. If you want the highest earning potential, go with AI voice agents. The recurring revenue model is unbeatable, and businesses desperately need this solution. If you want the easiest entry point, start with GPT wrappers. Pick an industry you understand, identify a repetitive task, and build a specialized solution around it. If you want the most passive income, consider voice cloning or AI-generated content. These can literally earn money while you sleep. The key is to start small and think big. Build something that solves a real problem for real people, then use AI to automate and scale it. The laziest business idea isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems that work without you. Move fast, and you could be looking at a completely different financial situation a year from now.